2022, back in the future, still building vintage bikes this year. So next on my list is this miniature Indian. I don't know if you can see how big it is or small. It's a very challenging project, this one also. But the hard part is over. I don't know how much I catched with it on the camera, but I will film the complete mounting of this bike. I still have to demount the engine and exchange a flywheel shaft, rebuild the flywheel with the rollers and the bushing, and mount the engine together and mount it to the frame. I am very curious how this bike will feel like riding it without the sidecar. You cannot see now the sidecar because it's hard to film with the sidecar. But it will be a 500cc Indian Prince powered bike with 3 gears and reverse gearbox. Yes, with reverse, exactly. I don't remember now, I have issues with the Henderson. But I think, I don't know if you saw, this is very light. So 500cc Indian Prince should give a good thrill on this bike. So my purpose was to be ridden also by an adult and also by kids if they want to. And for riding it with an adult in the sidecar, I have designed, cheers, I have designed a hand clutch as they had on the early Indians. It didn't have this type of clutch, but I had to design, I will show you on the gearbox what. So this will be the clutch that can be controlled from the sidecar. The brake will be controlled from the sidecar. The compressor can be controlled from the sidecar, and also the gas, the acceleration, the throttle, sorry. It will be a right side throttle exactly because an adult from the right side should be able to control also the throttle, also the clutch, to teach his kid to ride this motorcycle. Yes, I will show you more on the desk. Now I will move the camera so you can see also the sidecar. In this frame you can see better the sidecar I have designed. It's a parallel sidecar, so the wheel will have I don't remember how many degrees of inclining. Here I will have a big seat for the adult. So you can see in previous video how this works. I don't want to scratch it now. I also have a dampener in for inclining it, so when you twist that more it will incline harder or block it, or leave it to so you can use the bike for inclining it, and the sidecar will also incline with the bike. I'm sorry, my English is still quite poor. So now I will move to the engine. I will show you my working table. I move to the engine and open it up again for the flywheel demounting. Enjoy your day. Better view for the sidecar. This is my parallel sidecar, I saw they are called, or variable angle sidecar. That means the wheel from the sidecar is connected to the frame, and once you lean it over, the wheel on the sidecar will also do that. It has the sidecar has also a leaning dampener. That means you can control how easy it will lean in the corners, or if you want it stiff, you can block it from here. It will have a big seat for an adult to fit in. I couldn't build a sidecar for an adult to sit in because then it would have covered all the motorcycle. So it will be, you will like it for sure. It's like a garden seat. They used them in, I don't know how the material is called, in the 1910s for the sidecars. Next will be to demount the engine, take out the flywheel and exchange a flywheel shaft because it has a broken keyway, one of them. I have the new new shaft. So let's start up the year with the flywheel repair. That would be the most difficult thing still to do on this bike. Then will be the engine mounting and firing up the bike, of course.